Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn, stock number 28284T. This one is white in color. It's got the chrome in the grille here and in the Ram. LED headlights. Marker lights down here in the front bumper. Chrome front bumper, I should say. Chrome 20-inch wheels. Nice design. This does have a 5.7 Hemi. Turning signals in the mirrors. Power mirrors, windows, and locks. We also got power premium cloth seating. They did a real nice job with the quality in this cloth interior. Got some nice design to it. It also is heated seats and steering wheel. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio allows you to do things like anywhere from climate control to radio options. Hands-free things as well. It does have a power rear window with garage door opener, 3 options for garage doors. Now we have options here on the steering wheel to change things in your gauge cluster, control your phone, and cruise control. Back side of the steering wheel on each side, there's a button that allows you to do things like presets for radio and volume. Also, I want to show you this center console. It's just massive. This slide's got all this room in here, 5 auxiliary ports, a CD player, and 3 spots to hold your phone. Ram did a real nice job on this redesign. Taking a look here in the back. Very, very, very spacious back. Check this out. That's just absolutely massive amount of space. Now on the floor here, we still have the Ram bins. These things are removable for things like having a soda with your friends in the summertime, driving down the road. Keep them cold in there. Chrome rear bumper, chrome tips. I'm really liking this emblem. I don't know if you can see it. It's like bold. They bolded the letters. Backup camera. Does have the effortless tailgate now. You can literally raise it with one finger. Done. Very beautiful truck. Again, this is a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn, stock number 28284T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.